Hey, so we're on the back office of the Now site, and I just kind of wanted to show you how this program actually works. So here's the board here. So in order for us to make the website or emails or anything, first we're going to start at the AI button. Go to business profile. Now, um, select the name of your business or whatever you're trying to promote. So I'm just gonna make one just as a test here. Now you want to be as descriptive as possible um, when you're making the AI, so the bot can actually make you a fantastic website here. So from flowers, we're gonna say just so you can get the idea of what. So it's just gonna create a business profile for you. Look what this had. So, From Flowers is a premier flower delivery service that prides itself on prompt, convenient services. You can read all that. So it gives you pretty good descriptive of your business there. So that gave you a good SEO um, type of business. Now, if you want to do more, you can enhance it more with the AI button. And anytime you see that AI button, you can always enhance it more. I think this is good. They even give you keywords to use. So we're gonna click save. So now that we saved it, we go to the marketing button here and continue there. Now these are, you can actually hit add new, and then you go here from flowers. Okay. Actually capitalize that. You can set the tone for your website. So if you want humorous, exciting, formal, professional, we're going to select friendly. And this button here is going to make sure that all your stuff is not is copywritten and it's not infringement. So you're going to click AI build me a website. Okay, as you can see here, we can now we can customize it if you need to. So just to customize it, okay. So it gives you a good about from flowers. From flowers is a premier flower delivery site that prides itself on prompt. That's that stuff that you read before. And it also gives you testimonials here. Simply the best. They're prompt, friendly services, stunning selection process. The my one's birthday, memorable, highly recommended them. And this contact page. So you're going to click on here, and as you can see, call the action button can actually redirect it to a URL or to an email. So if you had just say you had the business that you actually want to go, you can actually have it go to your landing page there. You actually have it go to an email, or if you give like a free giveaway for people registering, you can put it there. You can put your now site link there. If you had an affiliate link, easy ordering. So anytime you want to customize it, of course you just click it, and you can have the AI here write you a heading. You can change the image if you need to. If you got some stock photos, you can make this a clickable link where you can click on the picture, and if you had a link there, they clicked on the picture, it could actually go to the link. So we want to save this, then we can just preview it. And you can see it's got a nice website. And again, you can customize all that stuff. If you guys need any help, I can actually show you that. Now, here's the cool thing about the Now site here. So just say, and you can actually look at it here. If you need to do a logo, you just click on the area, upload that. Social media links. If you wanted to do your Twitter, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, all that good jazz. Also here, so now we got that in. Now just say you want to do a email campaign. So we'll go back to marketing, go to email, add new. See, and it's got all your websites there. So 30-day here. I need to connect another list to go there, but so right here you can just put if you want to put your now site there, or whatever business that you got, you can have it replying to that address if you had an extra email. But I always like to keep it at the one I actually look at. But if you had like a separate business email, you can put that there. And we get started there. Now, if you had a list there, from a couple emails from, and you can add each one. If you had like a whole list of people from different campaigns, you can add it there. Let's go send to list. Let's go here. Okay, so you can name your email name. Let's see what campaign. 30-day. Yeah, 15. Okay, and then here you can use your AI. You want to build rapport, follow up, book meeting, close sale, create urgency, present. I'm going to click follow up here. The tone I want to be friendly for this. English if I was out of it. English. Use the tags. You can use it. Okay. So go down here. And we're gonna click there. Now you can make that anything you wanted to make it. It's gonna generate me an email campaign now. Okay. Okay. Subject. Thank you for choosing your valued customer. Blah 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 blah. And then it gives you a coupon code there. So if you had a store or something, they'll go to your store and they can enter that. And then write you great is our friend of constantly working hard to provide you best floral delivery services possible. Again, thank you. And then they have you have to put your name. Oh, it'll be your name when they get the email there. So we're gonna use that. And what day do we want to send it out? Put days, 30 days. You can actually if you needed an image, drag image there. So different stuff you can use. If you need add any questions on how this works, of course you can give me you can message me, and then I'll show you how they just implemented funnels too. So where you can do AI funnels too. If you want that information, I can also give you that. Okay, thank you for taking a look at this.